students, today we are going to start trigonometry. Now here trigonometry in class 10th, it deals with only right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, here you have 90 degree. So if one angle is 90 degree, then it is termed as your right angle triangle. Now the side in front of your 90 degree is called your hypotenuse. So this is your hypotenuse. Now I am taking an angle. If I am taking this angle, if I am taking this angle as theta, then this side will be known as your opposite. This side is known as your opposite. Okay, and if I am taking this angle as theta, so the side in adjacent to that is known as your adjacent. We call it adjacent or we call it base also. So it depends. Whatever you want to call, you can call it. Okay. So if I am taking this angle, then for this angle, this will be your opposite, and this side will be your base or adjacent, whatever you want. Okay. Now we have 6 trigonometric ratios defined on this. First is your sine theta. Sine theta is defined as opposite upon hypotenuse. Then second is your cos theta. Cos theta is defined as adjacent or base. We take base or adjacent upon hypotenuse. Now we have third tan theta. Tan theta is your sine theta upon cos theta. When we divide above 2, then we get tan theta. Now if you will divide, you can see that hypotenuse cancels out, and I will get opposite upon base. So tan theta is also termed as your opposite upon base. Now we come on rest 3. Rest 3 are reciprocal of these. Now sine theta reciprocal is cosec theta. Okay. So cosec theta can be written as your hypotenuse upon opposite. Similarly, opposite of this is your reciprocal of this is your sec theta. Sec theta can be written as your hypotenuse upon base. Now opposite of tan theta is cot theta. So cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta, or you can write it as base upon opposite. Now here we have 3 main identities which we will take help of these identities to solve our question. So first identity is your sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now another one is 1 plus tan square x is equal to sec square x, and the third one is 1 plus cot square x is equal to your cosec square x. We need to learn this very thoroughly, and except this, what we are going to use frequently is your tan x is equal to your sin x by cos x. This we are going to use very frequently. And one more we have just reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of tan is your cot. So cot x is equal to your cos x upon sin x. So this is your next one, and you know that the reciprocal of sin is your cosec. So sin x can be written as your 1 over cosec x. This can be written as, this is your another. Okay. And similarly, one more we have, that is your cos x is equal to 1 over sec x. This is your one more. So using all these, we will take help to solve our questions. I am taking a question here. 1 plus tan square a times 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin A is equal to 1. We have to prove this. So first thing I am taking this LHS. Now taking LHS, we have 1 plus 10 square A. Now I told you that 1 plus 10 square A is your sec square A. So here in place of 1 plus 10 square A, I can write sec square A. Now here I have 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. So I can use the formula of A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. So here I will get 1 minus sin square A. Now we know that sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 minus sin square A will be your only cos square A. So here I can write sec square A times cos square A. Now we know that they are reciprocal of each other. So sec square A, I can write it as 1 upon cos square A times cos square A. Now this cos square A cancels out and we will get 1, that is our RHS. We have the question here, sin A upon 1 plus cos A. We have to prove it equal to cosec A minus cot A. So again I am starting with the LHS. Now here we have sin A upon 1 plus cos A. Now what I can do, I can just multiply with the conjugate. So here I have 1 plus cos A in the denominator. So I will multiply with 1 minus cos A in the numerator and denominator. Now A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So I will get sin A multiplied with 1 minus cos A, and here I will get 1 minus cos square A. Now we know that your sin square A plus cos square A is equal to your 1. So 1 minus cos square A can be written as sin square A. So here I am writing sin A, in the numerator we have sin A 1 minus cos A, and in denominator I can write, in place of 1 minus cos square A, I can write sin square A. Now this cancels out and I will get 1 minus cos A upon sin A. So below 1 I can write sin A, and below cos A also I can write sin A. Now 1 minus sin A means 1 upon sin A means cosec A, because sin A is reciprocal of cosec A, and cos A upon sin A is your cot A. So this is our RHS. Let us take another question here. Cot square A minus cos square A is equal to cot square A into cos square A. We need to prove this. So first thing, we know that cot square A is your cos square A upon sin square A. In place of cot square A, I am writing cos square A upon sin square A minus cos square A. Now I can take this cos square A outside. So I am taking common. Now I will get in the bracket 1 upon sin square A minus 1. So here I am taking LCM. Now after taking LCM, I will get cos square A sin square A in denominator, and in numerator I will get 1 minus sin square A. Now we know that 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Now in the next step, what I can write? Cos square A, and this is your again cos square A upon sin square A. Now you know that cos square A upon sin square A is cot square A. So here I can write cos square A multiplied with cot square A. So this is our RHS, hence proved. Now I am taking a question tan square theta upon sec square theta minus 1 whole square. So again I am starting with the LHS. Now we need this cos A. Now here you can see that we have sec. Now 10 also we can convert it into sec, and then sec can be converted into cos. So it will be a easier way. So here we know that 1 plus 10 square theta is your sec square theta. So in place of 10 square theta, I can write sec square theta minus 1. So here I will have sec square theta minus 1 upon, now this is sec theta minus 1. I can just, because it is whole square, so I can write sec theta minus 1. 2 times I am writing it. Okay. Now a square minus b square formula I am going to use. So here I will have sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1, and in denominator already I have sec theta minus 1 into sec theta minus 1. Now we can cancel out this. I am left with sec theta plus 1 and sec theta minus 1. Now we want cos, so I am just converting into cos. So here I can just write 1 upon cos theta plus 1 and 1 upon cos theta minus 1. So here now taking the LCM, I will get 1 plus cos theta, and here in denominator I will get 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta. Now this cos theta cancels out, and I will be left with here 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta, and this is our RHS.